All right, I'm starting to work on installing the gas tank. So I pulled out all my parts associated with the gas tank. So first of all, I'm not going to have ability to install everything. I still have some painting to do on the interior of the trunk, so there's some things I can't put in. But for now, so of course I got the tank and the float, and then the seal. Here's the original. It's probably okay. I can probably clean it up, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put a new one in with the new seal. Got a new float. The tank is clean. I washed it out with gas. There's a little bit of debris in there. I can still hear when I move it around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my vacuum. And I got a little adapter here hooked up to the vacuum, and then I can stick that in the tank. I've taped that paintbrush up to it to sweep up the stuff, and then I can get in there and really clean it out really good. And then I'll get some more gas and get rid of the kind of the dust that's left in there. Get that cleaned up. Get this installed. So the parts wise, so here's the ground, and then here's the ground screw, and then for the tank straps, we've got I had to get a bolt kit that was all rusted and toast, so I had to get a new kit. But I still have the two original bolts to hold the strap on, and then two new screws that pinch the straps together, and then the tube cover that goes in the trunk with the screw, and then the actual gas tank tube with some straps, and the tube. I'll need, this one's the original. It's really hard and crusty, so I'll need a new one, so I won't be able to install that today. And then here's the cover for the gas tank. It's that little boot that goes over with the cover, and then the 4 screws, and then here miscellaneous screws and clips and things for the actual gas tank, for the gas line that goes from the front of the car to the tank, and these are kind of associated right where the tank attaches to. And then that's kind of it. So I'll kind of pause it now and go through and install the straps first. And then also I have the, I need to pull those out, the sound detonators right here. So I just pull them out. So these attach to the tank, between the tank and the strap, and between the bottom of the car and the top of the tank, just for prevent rattle noises. All right, so I'll keep going.